Three core principles to them he taught, coming unannounced, the fateful herd, a message of peace and love so pure. Makha Bucha day has arrived. We walk the main temple 3 times. Burning incense fills the air, lovely lotus symbols of the fair. Flaming candles light the sky, remembering do no evil, cultivate the good, and purify your mind. Do no evil, cultivate the good, purify your mind, purify your mind. Celebrate for 1,250 came, laughing dancers, mighty elephants, and players play. Fiery fireworks, handsome princes, and beautiful princesses rain.